Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be making a face toner. Now this face toner contains extracts that will be beneficial to the face. This is actually a very good recipe, and the face toner works on all skin types. It helps to clear acne, it helps to blend your skin, give you a uniform complexion for people whose skin, like the face, is not looking good. This face cream will help to blend everything. It works on hyperpigmentation and it is basically good. So for this, I'll be using my rose water. This particular rose water, you can actually use this on its own as a face toner on its own, and it's still good on the face. So I'll use this as my toner base. Next, I'll be adding in my lightening glycerin. Now, this lightening glycerin is not the regular vegetable glycerin. This is vegetable glycerin that has been mixed with some lightening ingredients. So this is not just to hydrate the skin. This actually brightens the skin as well. Next, I'll be going in with green tea liquid extract. This extract it has antioxidant properties, it helps to improve the skin's health, it helps to reduce acne, it also helps to reduce inflammation. Next, I'm going to add calendula liquid extract. This particular one has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to heal the skin. It has antimicrobial properties as well. It also helps to hydrate the skin. It doesn't make things irritate your skin. Like, it helps to soothe irritation. I'll also be adding goji berry liquid extract to this toner. This one also has antioxidant protection, which means it helps to protect your skin from environmental stress and damage. It has anti-aging properties. It helps to reduce fine line, it helps to reduce wrinkle, it helps to reduce age spots. This also helps to hydrate your skin very well. It improves skin elasticity, it helps to soothe and calm your skin, it brightens the skin as well. Now I'm going to add Jamal Plus preservative to this, just so that this is going to last long. So I'll be adding Jamal Plus preservative. So after everything, I'm going to stir to make sure that everything mixes properly. Of course, they're all liquids and mixing will not be a problem. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do that. Click on that subscribe button and be part of everything I do here. Like this video, subscribe, drop comments in the comment section. Also, if you want to enroll for skincare training, you want to enroll for class, or you want any product, do let me know. You can follow the link in the description box to chat me up directly on WhatsApp. Now after everything, I'm going to ensure that I check and balance the pH level of this product. Now checking the pH level is very important, because this is actually a facial product. Even if it is not a facial product and it is just your body care, you still need to check and balance the pH level. So this particular part is what other people can skip, but it is very important. If you went for a skincare training, if you have been trained, you will not skip this part. So this particular thing, this particular toner that I have here is close to 5, like it is about 4.6 or thereabout. Now because I'm not using a pH meter and I am using a paper pH strip, I won't get the exact figure, but you can match the color. And with the color that I have here, this is more than, like, this is about 4 point something, it is almost 5. And yeah, your skincare, your facial products should be within 4.5 to 5.5 or thereabouts. Okay, so this is actually good. Now if the pH was too low, there was a way I could increase it. If the pH was too high, I could also increase it. That is how this is done. So after everything, I'm just going to go ahead and package it. This can be used on your face morning and night. You can use it only morning. Anyone that works well with you. You can use it morning and night. You can use it only morning, however you like it.